The actual pollen filter is located on the driver's side, up there just opposite the clutch pedal. There's a screw to remove there, and then this side panel just pops off. This just pops off. So Phillips screwdriver, it's a Phillips, not a Posse. Just take that out, and then if you put your hand underneath, as you see, that shoots out. The bit to be careful of is this end. There are quite a few clips that do need popping off, but this edge is located under there, so can be a little difficult. And then just literally remove that out. We'll just pull it to one side. Watch obviously for the clutch pedal. And there it is. It says we're there. I think it's a 20. Well, I've put a few ready. Yeah, T20. I am cheating, I'm doing it with the DeWalt. Just make life a lot easier. And then I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get the DeWalt in for the top one. Just bear with me a sec. Oh, there is no top one. I'm telling you wrong. That's it. Do that many cars, I'm getting confused. Yeah, there's just that one screw at the bottom. Fingers in. And then as you pull it out, just watch this rubber hose. You have to work your way round the rubber hose. That's that one gone. New one that's going in. Genuine Ford part. There's the part number. Let's get that unwrapped. Sorry if it's a little shaky, I'm trying to do this while holding the phone and unwrapping everything and doing it all in one hand. On the actual filter itself, just pull it out of the car so you can see it better. There we go, there's airflow markings. I always put it in so the airflow is pointing towards you. Sure, somebody can tell me if I'm doing that wrong. Now the tricky bit is getting it back in round that rubber hose. Made even more fun when you're trying to do it by one hand. If you just get that rubber hose out of the way and offer it in, it'll go straight in. And obviously if I was doing this with two hands, it really would be a piece of cake. Just see if I can prop the phone up a sec while I put that in, because it won't make life easier with a second hand. As I say, it is a lot easier when you're doing it with two hands. Right, hopefully you could see that alright, because I've had to prop the camera up and hope for the best. Right, cover, as we now know is only one screw. So, leading edge in, that's that. Screw back in at the bottom. As you can see, it is fairly easy to get in. Snip that up. That's that on. The actual side cover, when that goes back on, you just have to watch. Hopefully I can show you this and just bring it round. You just have to watch these clips at the end of it. These locating clips. They can be a little tricky to get in, and obviously you don't want to be putting them in at the wrong angle and it not fitting right. Right, so when it's roughly in place, it's this edge here where it can prove a little difficult. So make sure you get your locating pegs in the right place. Offer it in, and then you basically have to press it past that. And once it's in, there you go. I don't know if you saw that go then. This comes back over. To finish off, just make sure that end is up, and then your little push pin. Push that in, and the screw in. Hopefully some of that made sense.